Hey, what's up guys? So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make slow motion video. So guys, many members asked me how to make slow motion video. Video should be in normal motion, but audio should be in slow motion. And also some people asked me how to make both video and audio in slow motion. And also some people asked me how to make video slow at a particular part. So guys, for all these questions, today I made this video. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about the slow motion editing video. So how to make a slow motion video and how to edit in Kinemaster or the Kinemaster video editing app. So guys, make sure that you watch this video till end. So I'm Shafi, you're watching Shafi Technique channel. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright, so guys, first of all, open Kinemaster app. So guys, if you don't have Kinemaster or Kinemaster, then open your Play Store and download this app. So guys, this is a really best video editing app in Android. So guys, as you can see spelling, so just type this spelling on Play Store and after that download this app. So guys, make sure that you download this app only from Play Store, because if you download this Kinemaster app from Play Store, then your app will be updated. So this is very important. You must have a latest version. So guys, so after that, as you can see one plus button. So guys, so tap on plus button. So guys, after tapping on the plus button, so select your ratio. So for example, if you are making a TikTok video so like that, then definitely a video will be in 9:16 ratio. So as you can see, this is one. So I'm going to tap on 9:16 ratio. So after that, this is how we get the interface. So we can call it as a editing place. So first of all, let me tell you the requirement that you must have is a latest version of Kinemaster or Kinemaster, and you must, so please make sure that you won't turn on internet connection. So please don't turn on internet connection. So if you turn on your mobile data, then your Kinemaster seems to be hang. So please don't turn on your mobile data. So guys, after that you must have a good video. So make sure that your video has a good quality. So if your video has a good quality, then you can export, you can save your video in a big frame rate. So I'll tell you clearly at the end of this video, so how to save with a full HD. So everything I'll tell you clearly. So guys, after that tap on media. So guys, so after tapping on the media, you have to select the video. So now I'm going to select my video. So guys, so as you can see, I selected the video, and after that tap on this tick mark. So guys, after tapping on the tick mark, so first of all, you have to slide right side. So you have to slide right side, then you have to go to the starting. So guys, so as you can see, here we have one tool called full screen. So we have one icon here. So tap on this icon, then you will get somewhat big screen. So it will be very useful. It will be very easy to edit the video. So guys, so after that, the first thing, so guys, the main thing that we have to do is, so first of all, if you have any type of audio, means if you record with our camera like that, then we will have some audio. So that audio is totally useless. So now what you have to do means tap on this video track. So guys, after tapping on the video track, as you can see one scissor option. So tap on this scissor option, and after that, as you can see extract audio. So guys, tap on extract audio. So guys, so again after that tap on tick mark, and as you can see, so now we got this audio file. So guys, just delete this audio file by tapping on this delete icon. So guys, so now in this video we are not having any type of audio. So guys, after that, the next thing that you have to do is, so guys, and also many members asked me how to make the video in slow motion, but audio should be in normal motion. So that one also I'll tell you clearly. So guys, already I told you that. So for example, I'll tell you. So guys, as you can see, so now here we extracted audio. So if you want this audio, then you can keep it. Then you can keep this audio. Or else you can delete this audio and you can add some background music. So I'll also show you how to add a background music. So now I'll show you how to make video slow and audio should be in normal position. So as you can see, so this is a video track and this is the audio track of this video. So guys, so now what you have to do means, first of all, you must have a plan. So what is that plan? So I'll tell you clearly. For example, this is a video. For example, now I'll play the video. So guys, so this is a video. So here now, as you can see, so now here I am throwing ball like that. So I am trying to I will catch the ball. So now what I want means how a plan should be mean. So now here I am catching the ball. So whenever I am catching the ball, then I need that ball that at that time that part should be in slow motion. I'll tell you clearly. So guys, so now here let me tell you again. So guys, I want so till here. So till here I want video in normal position, and after that from here. So from here to here I need the video to be in slow motion. So like that I am planning. So like that you also have to plan. So you have a 10 seconds video. So in the 10 seconds video, at which part you need slow motion. So like that you have to plan it. So planning is very important. So guys, so now already I told you. So now here again I'm playing this video. So here the video will be in normal motion. So I don't want any type of slow motion here. So guys, so now here I want slow motion. So I'll pause here the video. So guys, after pausing the video, tap on this video track. So guys, after tapping on the video track, as you can see on scissor option, so tap on this scissor option. So guys, after that, as you can see, split at playhead. So tap on this option. So this is the third option. So tap on it. So guys, so now after that, tap on this tick button. Again, play the video. So guys, after playing the video until here, I want slow motion. So again, I'll tap on this video track, and I'll tap on the scissor option, and again I'll tap on split at playhead. So guys, so now we got totally 3 parts. So this middle part I need slow motion. For example, now I'll show you. So this is the middle part where I'm catching the ball. So I need this one to be in slow motion. So now what I have to do means I have to tap on this video track. So guys, so tap on the video track, and after that, as you can see, speed control. So tap on speed control, and after that, so as you can see, so this is the speed control. So guys, so now my video is only 11 seconds, so that's why I'm not getting any type of speed option, and now I'm getting only 0.25x. So guys, we can also get speed motion if our video is in more time, in more duration. So guys, so now I need slow motion for this part. So I selected this part, and after that I tap on speed control, and after that I have to drag this to. So now I want 0.25x, so I'll drag it to the end, and after that I'll tap on the tick button. So now again I'll start playing it. So again now I'm playing it. So as you can see, so this is the slow motion, and until here I want slow motion, and now video is normal mode. So guys, like that you have to edit. So first you have to split the video. So you have to split the video where you want slow motion, and after that you have to select the video, and after that you have to tap on speed control, and after that you have to select the how much slow motion you want. So guys, if you want you can also mute the audio, but no need here because we already extracted this audio file. So guys, so now I'll show the video from starting onwards. So as you can see, so here now I'm going to throw ball. Now as you can see, so we got video in slow motion, and until here I want slow motion, and after that video came in normal motion. So now video was complete. Now what about audio? So guys, audio I said you I extracted audio. Then if I make the video in slow motion, then nothing will affect to the audio. Yes, audio will be in normal motion, so nothing will happen to the audio. So again I'm telling you as a tip, so make sure that you extract this audio. So after extracting this audio, if you make the slow motion for the video, then this slow motion nothing will affect to the audio. So this is very important. So guys, in case if you want audio also to be in slow motion, so some members want even the audio to be in slow motion, then what you have to do means you should not extract this audio. So without extracting this audio, directly you have to make slow motion. Then at this part audio also will be at slow. So like that you have to make it. So guys, so now the second type of part is now many members want to keep background music. So now we will extract this audio like that, and after that tap on this audio track. So guys, after tapping on the audio track, tap on this delete option. So guys, so now we don't have any type of audio, so only we have video track, but we don't have audio track. So guys, so now as you can see here, we have this option called audio. So guys, so tap on this audio, and after that, so if you have any songs or audio or else any background music in your memory card like that, then you can select it from here. So guys, so as you can see, old to town. So this is the audio which I want. So now first what I have to do means first of all tap on the audio. Sorry, so I don't want this audio, so I want this one. So guys, I want this audio. So first tap on the audio and listen it. So if that audio is correct, then tap on plus button. So as you can see one plus button. So tap on this plus button. So guys, after that tap on this tick button, and now as you can see we got this audio. So guys, so now what you have to do is scroll. So you have to scroll left side. So you have to scroll left side. And as you can see our video is only 16 seconds. So now as you can see, so this audio track is still more. So this audio track is more than the video. So now what you have to do means, so tap on this audio track. So guys, tap on this audio track and again scroll down and tap on this trim or split, and after that as you can see one second option called trim to right of play head. So tap on this option, and as you can see now we have audio till the video. So guys, so now I am going to play the video with audio. So here let me keep some volume. So guys, I hope this will not be any type of copyright audio, so no to worry. So now as you can see, so now I am going to play the video. So let's see one time. So guys, so like that you have to make a slow motion effect. So guys, so this is totally easy. So guys, so this is a basic slow motion editing tutorial. So guys, so if you get this perfectly, then you can make your own creativity editing. So guys, so this is some basic slow motion editing tutorial. So guys, in case still if you won't understand how to, if you didn't understand how to make this, then no to worry, watch video again, then you will understand clearly. So guys, so now everything was complete. Now we have to save the video. So guys, first tap on this share option. So after tapping on the share option, as you can see, so we have resolution. So here we have resolution. So guys, one thing you remember, so don't select QHD. So guys, if you select QHD, then this video will not. So this video may not support to your TikTok or Instagram. So don't select QHD, but select FHD. So guys, FHD is very important. So you will get 1080p quality, and after that, as you can see frame rate. So guys, select only 30. So select only 30, and after this is bitrate. So make sure your bitrate is in high position. So make bitrate in high position, and after that tap on export. So guys, after that, as you can see exporting project. So as you can see exporting project. So guys, so if your video is more than 1 minute like that, then it will take somewhat a slow motion. Then this one will go some slow. So video is only 11. Video is nearly only 16 seconds. So that's why easily we saved the video. So guys, so now we tap on this play button, and if you want you can watch it. So if you want you can watch it. So now I'll show you. Now I'll show you this. So guys, so now I'll tap on this play button. Okay, so first of all let me, okay, alright. So guys, so now here I am going to select these photos. So guys, so now as you can see video. So guys, so as you can see, so really video is really great. So guys, I hope you understand this slow motion editing tutorial. So guys, if you like this, then make sure that you hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. So that's it guys in this video. I hope you like that. If you like this video, then hit the like button and share this video to all. If you have any type of doubt, then comment me in the comment section below. And thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Jai Hind.